Cucumbers are having a moment. Let me make a little salad. I just sliced 3 of these like mini Persian cucumbers, and I grew some of these in my lettuce grow. I'm gonna add a clove of garlic, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, not measuring, rice wine vinegar, that much, soy sauce or coconut aminos, that much, chili crisp, just a little heat, that much, and a little bit of toasted sesame oil, that much. Hopefully this will work. I will be eating this entire thing. Eating this entire thing and making it again. You cannot do this wrong. So good. Follow Grown Up Dish for healthy-ish recipes, product reviews, and midlife musings.